show you how to install Wine 4.0, the best version of Wine at the moment available for Linux. I'm trying to play Beavis and Butthead Ockaloogie, but it isn't playing because I'm in a Linux system and Linux isn't supposed to be able to run Windows stuff, but I'm going to change that. Open up the terminal window and enter the first command, sudo space dpkg space minus minus add minus architecture space i386 as written. Now at the next command line, write wget space minus nc space https /dl.winehq.org/wine minus builds/winehq.key as written here. Now enter sudo space apt space minus space key space add space winehq.key and press enter. Once that's processed, the next command is sudo space apt minus add minus repository space indentation deb space https://dl.winehq.org/wine minus builds/ubuntu/bionic main. And if you're using Linux Ubuntu 18.1 or Ubuntu 16.04 Linux Mint 18 Plus or Ubuntu 14.4, you have to enter a different code. Cosmic for Ubuntu 18.1, Ixianal for Ubuntu 16.4 and Linux Mint 18 Plus, and Trusty for Ubuntu 14.4, but I've put Bionic main because I'm using Linux Mint Cinnamon, and that's fine. The next command to enter in is sudo space apt minus get space update. Now you have the update, write sudo space apt minus get space install space minus minus install minus recommends space winehq minus stable. This should give you the most stable version of Wine there is at the moment. Then wine cfg, wine config, wine cfg as one word. There'll be 3 launchers that need to be installed, as you can see. Just click install for all 3 of those. That's the best thing to do, helps you install programs afterwards. Okay, now you've got Wine 4.0 installed on your computer. As you can see, you've got your options there. You can choose Windows 7, 8, 9, 10, XP, whichever you like. I hope that was useful for you. I've done my best to show you how to do it. Now I'm going to get out of the terminal window here and I'm going to show you a game, Beavis and Butthead. Let's go see if it actually works this time.
Boogie, roll. What? A squirrel! Boogie, roll. Boogie, roll.
There we go, I think you get the general idea. A game that previously didn't work is now working on Linux that should only be able to work in Windows. I hope you found it informative. Now I'm going to uninstall Wine. This is how you uninstall Wine. You have to go into the terminal window again, and then you have to enter in this command here. Sudo space apt minus get space remove space minus minus auto remove space wine minus stable space wine HQ minus stable. Now wine has been successfully removed. Beavis and Butthead and any other Windows program won't play on this system.
It is absolutely only your support that makes these videos possible. Thank you so much.